Alright, here we go. A solid brass ace lock down at the bottom, high security. Alright, so I picked one that had some pretty high bidding towards the tip of the key. That way, hoping that that would give us the most challenge. But we shall see. It says 5 pins, pick resistant. There we go. Sweep that under there. Wow. So, like with any lock, I'm just gonna grab this tension wrench and we'll give it a test to see if it does have any security pins. Ooh. I am setting some pins, but I don't think I'm zipping this thing. I think they mean it when they say security. Okay, so that's not gonna work. There's no zip in this bad boy. All right. Single pin pick. Let's go in. It's definitely got some security pins on it. I'm getting like no movement on that. I think it's like pin 3. Okay. I think that was a spool. I had to backtrack. All right, let's go back to the front. Okay, a little bit of resistance on 2. Here, I'm just gonna run it across there again. All right, back to the front again. Well, this one's gonna make me work for it. I'll tell you what. 2 minutes, 40 seconds. Okay. Not getting this one right away, huh? Okay. One, two, three. I think I had 3 of them. All right, let's see if we can rake up a full set, and then we'll just work on it. Okay. Pin 1, nothing, no resistance. Okay, now I'm getting to the back pin. There's a little bit of resistance. Okay, kind of got my pick stuck. All right. I'm trying to get to pin 1. And it is no. Oh, okay, got it open. Man, so that's pretty good security. Let's check it out now that we got the keys. All right. Made me work for it.